G'day viewers, welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. So I'm still parked where I parked up last night, and I'm just getting ready to do some admin before I head off. And so I've got to record this inside because the traffic going past on the side of the van is quite a lot. Not a bad place to park, but every time a car went or a vehicle went past, except for like a motorbike, the van did rock. So it's and it was a fairly busy little road. A lot of people thought they were on the M62 behind me there, rather than on a side road. But in any case, did sleep well, and as I say, I'm going to do my admin before I get going. So why don't you have a look around where I'm parked? Hello viewers, hey, so I hope you enjoyed that look around the reservoir where I was parked for the night, and it's a gorgeous day, absolutely beautiful day here. It's not boiling, it's just a nice temperature, so that was good. Done me bits of admin I wanted to do, so that's all clear and done, and I think it's time to leave this beautiful area and make our way further north. I think I'm going to go up through the Yorkshire Dales. Yeah, so I think that's where I'm going to go. So, okay. Because if I hadn't have left that, I would have forgot. And it says, don't forget chocks. Right, I'm going to get those in, and then we'll be underway. Okay, that is done. So in the interest of comical sayings, chocks away. Viewers, as you can see, I'm coming down this single track road, which is quite tight at the best of times.
After 200 metres,
I just passed a bus stop. There's another one. Bus stop. I mean, who's bringing a bus up here? Wow. There's a beautiful Gothic looking building ahead. But do you ever get the feeling you've come down the wrong road? I should have researched this a bit more before I left. But oh well, you know, these things are said to tries. Hey viewers, I just thought I'd stop here briefly and show you this view. It's amazing. So check it out. out, viewers. Dual carriageway. Open road. I can open her up. Cruise along here for a little while. Slight detour to viewers.
After 200 meters,
Thought I'd quickly
turn left.
pop down and have a look at the Skipton Canal. Righto viewers, I've found the canal. Come for a walk, we'll go for a quick wander along the canal towpath and see what narrowboats we can spy. Well, there we have it viewers, that was a fairly quiet and innocuous stop in
Turn right.
Skipton to have a look at the canal. I thought there might have been a bit more than that there, so oh well. There'll be more, we'll go to another one another time and have a look at some other boats. G'day again viewers. I've found somewhere to park for the night. You've got to see this. Let me get my camera, I'll show you. So here we are viewers, welcome to the Yorkshire Dales. How cool is this? What an amazing place to park up. Oh look, dinner's arrived. Fairly tame sheep. So, let me show you around the place where I'm parked. Look at that, I've even got somewhere to park. I can keep my door open and enjoy the view. Okay viewers, I think that's going to be me for the night now. So, hub. I'm going to get the hob on and cook some dinner and enjoy the view. Have a good evening, thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.